back to the build. This is part 2 of the winter rebuild on my truck. And as you can tell by the intro, I got the other side, the passenger side, or no, driver's side ball joints out. Finally, that was a pain. Got my map torch from work, so that helped a lot. And now today, the plan is I gotta get some cinder blocks so I can jack up my frame. It's pretty sketchy. I put the jack stands on the cinder blocks, and then we'll just use the jack to lower the axle housing. And then I hope I can get everything disconnected today and hopefully have it all out, and then I can start working on the axle itself. But yeah. Oh, I also got a Striker, some parts from Striker that I got unboxed that got delivered today. All right, so I got the jack stands back there behind the radius arms, supporting it in the middle. I think I want to get some more to support it right up front here on those because of how heavy the motor is. So right now that's bracing up most of the motor still, since none of that's disconnected. But before I disconnect that, I think I'm gonna get some jack stands to help support here, because I don't want to drop my truck on the ground. I just use these bottle jacks on the cinder blocks to brace up the front, so that should be safe enough. So I got most of the other side ripped apart. Just gotta remove the radius arm and then the drive shaft, front drive shaft, and this side can drop. So I think I'm gonna do the other side, get it to this point, and then we'll do the front drive shaft and then go from there. Right here I got my parts from Striker. They're kind enough to give me a little discount on it, so shout out to them. First things first, we got spacer pucks for the front. Give my truck a little more lift because it still looked raked on me and it was pissing me off. So they're just 1-inch spacer pucks, so I'll be sitting at 5.5 inches on the front. Well, I got the Bristol shocks for my steering stabilizer. I thought they were going to be a lot more polished looking based on the pictures on their website, but oh well. And I'm getting rid of that rubber boot because I hate it. And yeah, I got these upgraded sway bar end links. Those are going to be a lot beefier for sure. All right, so I got this side all apart except for the radius arm. Had to take that thingy off. I really don't know what it's for. Something with the air conditioning, I think. I don't know. I was looking it up before, but we'll figure out what that is. And I don't know what's happening with my camera because it keeps shutting off after like 2 minutes. So there's not too much footage of taking all this apart, but now I just gotta take the radius arm off. And now I'm gonna go do the drive shaft first. So, drive shaft, front drive shaft's disconnected. All that's left is the radius arms, and I can drop this axle out. axle is out. All right, and just like that, front axle is out. Next video we'll be gutting it. Apologize for half the footage being missing from taking this thing out because my phone has no storage. But next video I'll be gutting the axle, and then it should be off the powder coat and throw everything back together.